We use the indefinite article or the words a or an to refer to a person or object that's not specific. The Creole word for a or and is yon. For example, to say a banana, that would be yon fig. And to say a pineapple, that would be yon anana. In Creole, it does not matter whether the word you are referring to begins with a vowel or not. Always begin with the word yon. So in situations where you will typically say a or an in English, say yon in Creole. And that's it. It really is that simple to use the indefinite article in Haitian Creole. But oftentimes though, when listening to Haitian Creole, we often hear words such as yon and yoon. What do these mean? In the next video, you are going to find out. For more lessons like this, visit howtocreole.com.